Unlock your reading potential. Master Echo Reading. Hello, word explorers. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on improving reading fluency. Today, we'll dive into a very special technique known as echo reading. This simple yet effective method can help you boost your comprehension skills, increase your reading speed, and expand your vocabulary. So, let's get started. Echo reading is a strategy where you read a piece of text, then read it again immediately. The idea is to mimic or echo the text, much like an echo in nature. This allows you to fully absorb the content, understand the context, and better remember new words or phrases. By doing this repeatedly, you'll begin to notice improvements in your reading speed and comprehension over time. Now you might wonder, how can reading something twice make a difference? Well, the magic lies in repetition. Echo reading enables you to focus on the text structure, flow, and rhythm during the second read. It's like rewatching a movie. You'll pick up details you might have missed the first time. It's especially helpful for learners tackling complex texts or trying to get used to reading in English. Practicing echo reading is straightforward. Pick a piece of text, preferably one that's slightly challenging but still understandable. Read it aloud once, then immediately read it again. Feel the rhythm of the words and sentences, and try to understand their meanings in context. Pay attention to the phrases or words that were difficult the first time. Notice how they become easier to understand and say the second time around. Here are a few tips to make your echo reading sessions more productive. 1. Choose diverse texts. This includes fiction, nonfiction, news articles, and poetry. Different styles of writing will help you get familiar with a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structures. 2. Don't rush. The aim of echo reading is not speed, but comprehension and fluency. Take your time to understand the text. 3. Note down new words and phrases. While you're reading, you might come across unfamiliar words or expressions. Make a note of them, and try to use them in your daily conversations. And there you have it. That's the echo reading method in a nutshell. Practice it regularly, and you'll soon find yourself reading English texts more fluently. As always, remember that learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy reading!